Don't make these 3 mistakes if you guys want to succeed on YouTube. What's going on, guys? My name is Shaq. I've pretty much been doing YouTube for over 10 years. And throughout this time that I've pretty much been posting online for 10 years, I started to realize 3 things that I had to stop doing in order for me to really succeed at YouTube. Now, everything you guys are about to learn in this video is for every single niche out there. I don't care if you guys are a vlogger, a Minecraft channel, or you guys are creating reaction style content like I do. Now, there's a lot to go over in this video, so let me just jump right in and show you guys how much money I make. Why am I doing this? Because a lot of you guys won't believe the advice I'm going to give unless you guys know how much I'm making doing it. You guys want to know if I'm credible, and I guess that makes logical sense. So let me reload the screen. I'm gonna show you guys on all of my channels how I made over 500k doing this. I know you guys don't see that right now. This channel made me 367k. I'm gonna jump into my other channel. Actually, before I do that, let me show you guys that it is in US dollars. One of you guys told me if I could show you guys it in Canadian dollars. I guess there's a lot of Canadians watching this channel. Sure. Give it time. All right, there. I made now almost 500k on this channel in Canadian dollars. Let me switch it back to dollars, US dollars though, over here. And I'm not cutting this part out. I want you guys to see every single bit of this. Okay. 367, as you guys can see. Let me jump into my other channel. This is another channel I started, like 2023-ish. Yeah. Let me go back to US dollars once again, because you guys need to see that. I'll put it in whatever Turkish lira. Am I a millionaire now? Let's see. I don't know what this is. All right, cool. Let me go back. I'm only doing this for all the new people who are watching this video. All my subscribers know that I'm not a liar, but I'm just trying to speed through this because I do this every single video and I have to just do this. Or else I'll get those hate comments saying that I'm a liar and I'm a scammer. Makes no sense at all. Or whatever. This is a third channel. Sorry, I should have prefaced. This is a third channel I have. I don't post that often on this one, but I started posting on it more recently. For example, last 28 days, I think I uploaded, 3 videos. But I'm going to start reposting or posting more on this channel. Every single time I post, I make around 30 to 50 bucks. That's not bad. Anyways, that's not the point of this video. The point is you guys are trying to find out these 3 mistakes that every single YouTuber is making, even with the ones I have been seeing from what you guys have sent me on Instagram. So yes, I respond pretty frequently on Instagram. You guys can send me your channels. I'll review them. I don't mind doing that, but from what I have been seeing, I've been seeing a lot of you guys make these mistakes. But let's just jump into this first point, which is start creating content that other people want to watch. I know this sounds pretty damn straightforward, but hear me out for a second. I see a bunch of YouTubers who are just making these random titles, and they're wondering why their videos aren't getting any traction. For example, I have been sent vlogging channels. A lot of you guys are vloggers for some reason. Perfectly fine. You guys are sending me your videos, and you guys are not even being creative with your titles. You guys are saying vlog number 1, then it's your name next to it. Why? Start creating content that is searchable. People are searching for it. I'll give you guys a little back history. I used to be a Minecraft gamer. I spent hours a day creating Minecraft content. Guess what, guys? Nobody was watching it. I ended up doing Minecraft content for 2 years straight. You guys can see here in the beginning, when I first started YouTube when I was like in high school, I was making barely anything, but I was happy. I mean, I was like a little kid in high school, but I was like, why am I not making serious money? Then I transitioned to compilations, which was like faceless, commentary-less compilations. And I was like, wait a minute. I'm getting views and more money making compilations, which takes me an hour a day, but at least people are watching it. So that was my biggest mistake, number 1. And this is what a lot of you guys fall into. Regardless if you guys are vloggers or anything, a lot of the channels you guys send me, your titles are garbage. Nobody will click on those titles. You guys don't know how to make good titles. First thing you guys gotta do is study your competition and make sure you guys are creating titles that is relatively the same as theirs. Otherwise, no one's gonna click on your video because why the hell is YouTube gonna recommend a video that they have no idea where to place? Some of you guys are Minecraft channels or Roblox channels or gaming channels, whatever it is. You guys are titling it Minecraft episode 1, Minecraft Let's Play. Or you guys can be a reaction channel like what I do. If you guys don't know, I'm a reaction style channel. I react to clips like these. It takes me a couple hours to find clips and then I commentate over these clips, and that's really it. You guys can look at my older videos if you guys are interested in this, but that's not the point of this. Another channel that is like a reaction style are these try not to laugh videos. These try not to laugh videos have commentary within them, which keeps them monetized. These videos are more clickable and more searchable than, let's say, vlogging channels, right? So you guys got to be more creative with your titles. If you guys need some help with this part, hit me up on Instagram, and I don't mind checking out your channel to see if your titles are making sense. Because sometimes, majority of the times, the reason you're not getting views is because of this. You're not focusing on what people want to watch. You're creating whatever you want to watch. You're trying to reinvent the wheel. Stop doing that shit, please. Anyways, part 2, which is, it's not the niche, it's you. This I have to really focus on for a second, okay? If you guys have been watching me on YouTube for quite some time, you guys know I go over a bunch of niches. I go over literally, I think, 5 every single video. You guys can check out my older videos on this channel. And essentially, guys, you guys are always typing in the comments, Shaq, these niches are oversaturated. Shaq, you gotta give us newer niches. You can't get views on these niches. I'm trying to find a gold mine niche. Those don't exist, okay? If the niche isn't working out for you from the content you're posting, it is your fault. Take some accountability. It's not the damn niche that I'm sending you guys. You guys can be successful in any niche possible. I have students who are in the niches I share on YouTube, and they are killing it. If you guys don't believe it, look, you guys can see through the wins. So first off, please don't start with, oh, these niches suck. It is your fault. Something about your video sucks. Either the title sucks, the thumbnail sucks, the way the video was created. Maybe it's just not watchable. It's not amusing. Your AVD is garbage. Your average view duration is trash. Nobody wants to watch the entire thing. Maybe there's other elements. There could be multiple possibilities. It is your job to figure that out, but do not blame the niche. It is your fault. The amount of times I get those comments saying, oh my God, oversaturation. I don't believe in oversaturated niches. Heads up. I think I can break through in every single niche possible. Why? Because I know what I'm doing, right? So it's clearly a skill issue. It is not the niche's fault. Stop blaming these niches. You guys can get into try not to laugh niches. You guys can get into any reactions channel niches you guys want. Like I said, check out my older videos if you guys are interested, but don't blame the niche itself. You're just trash at what you do. Anyways, next one, which is, like I said, a bit more redundant, but I have to dive deeper into this. Stay consistent. Everything I show on my YouTube videos is 100% free, meaning you have nothing to lose. When I started YouTube, guys, I didn't have that idea when I was in high school. I'm gonna get rich in 1 year. I'm gonna get successful and famous in 1 year, and I'm gonna drive a Lamborghini in high school, and I'm gonna drive a Lamborghini in college, or I'm not gonna go to college at all. That wasn't the plan. My plan was, can I actually make a killing by the time I graduate college, which was 4 or 5 years. I gave myself 4 to 5 years to really figure out YouTube. And let me show you guys something interesting about this, right? Here's one of my channels, the main channel I first started. This was me in like I said, high school. This is me in college. Right here is college. I was like, oh, I think I'm starting to figure out this YouTube game. I got demonetized. Time is still going by. I'm not making any money. Bam, I figured it out, and now I'm actually making bread, and that allowed me to not actually get a job after college. So I gave myself enough time to figure out YouTube. 4 years, 5 years is going to fly by, regardless if you guys start YouTube or social media or not, right? If you guys post 1,000 videos, I know it sounds outrageous, but just hear me out for a second. If you guys post 1,000 videos, do you guys think you're still going to be trash at YouTube? No. But no one wants to post 1,000 videos. Nobody wants to post 100 videos. Nobody wants to even get there, even though everything is free. It doesn't cost you anything to start this. Like all the numbers you guys are seeing from all my channels I have made, I've made over 500K doing this. Everything was profit. I didn't pay anyone. I don't pay a video editor. A lot of you guys hit me up in the comments. Shaq, do you have a video editor edit your videos? Shaq, do you have a team that's helping you guys? No. I am solo dolo on this. But you guys don't want to be solo dolo. You guys want to be on an island because these gurus are selling guys out these fake magic mystery life stories that you guys can be on an island or a jet or whatever and make money because you're hiring and outsourcing. Don't do that. You don't even understand YouTube yourself. How are you going to hire people to do it correctly? Like what? I don't even hire and I make enough. I like it being 100% profit because, hey, if I make a mistake, it costed me nothing except my time and I could do it again tomorrow and then the next day and then the next day. I have been pretty much posting daily. Even in this period of time where I haven't been making any money, I was still posting. Why? Because I was just addicted to YouTube. You got to be addicted to this stuff too. You can't just make it and be like, oh, I made money in a year. No, it's going to be hard, right? I understand the algorithm at least. I'm not saying it's going to take you guys 5 years, right? Don't get demotivated right now. Damn, I'm making me 5 years. I have a family. I understand a lot of you guys have responsibilities. I understand that you guys are currently facing hard moments. This is not a get rich quick scheme. I don't want to sell it as that, right? Because obviously not. However, if you guys do your due diligence, you guys do the research correctly, you guys searching up, once again, back to the list, what people want to watch, seeing what's viral currently in the moment, right? Around any clips. It could be anything. Even if it's about vlogging or Minecraft stuff, what is the current trends going on? What are the competition posting about it? Second, don't take some accountability, check your metrics out. Right? Make sure your editing is solid. Make sure you guys are making these videos solid, right? See if people are actually watching all the way through. If they're not, that's your problem. Like really pay attention and dive deep into your metrics. I wasn't doing any of this. I was posting a video and just praying it's going to blow up. Some did because I was just posting so much, but I had no idea why they were blowing up. It took time for me to really understand, wait, I actually have to look back on my older videos and see what is going on here, why they're going viral. And then it was after that where I started to learn, wait, there's a system behind here. There's an algorithm, but I just didn't care. I was a young kid. I was just trying to get by posting as much as possible. And I also thought passion was more important than money, which is a bad thing. I should make that a fourth point, honestly. Stop chasing your passion and start chasing money. Start chasing what actually gets views and not what you actually like doing in your life. A lot of people are like, Shaq, I don't want to give up this because it doesn't fulfill me. It doesn't make me happy. Then it's just going to take a little bit longer. I'm sorry to say, I enjoyed Minecraft content, making Minecraft videos more than reaction style content where I go over certain topics. However, at least I was making money in reaction style content. And guess what, guys? I fell in love with the money at the end of the day. Stop believing these effing liars who are telling you guys, yo, chase your happiness. Do what makes you happy. Whatever makes you happy, you'll succeed in. It's BS. It's complete garbage. I've seen YouTubers who have been posting for quite some time. They don't know what they're doing, but they're still chasing their passion. But like I said, guys, as long as you guys stay consistent and as long as the process doesn't cost you anything, to keep doing it daily, the time is going to fly by regardless if you guys start now or not. You guys can do something else with your time, but a lot of you guys aren't. You guys are still on your phones. You guys are still scrolling. You guys are still, I don't know, wasting your time partying. I don't know what you guys are doing with your lives. Stop doing all that kind of stuff and get something that's actually interesting. It took me a long time to build this, but that's how I was able to grow one super quickly. In 2021, it's really started hitting out. In 2023, this one started working out a lot for me. And then I don't know when did this channel actually start? Let me see, lifetime. Was it 2023 as well? Yeah, it was also 2023, 2024. And then I'm gonna start doing this again more often. But you guys get the point. I am growing over time, but I understand it more. This is like a big test channel that I proves that I really understand what I'm doing. And it shows that I can blow up any channel with just me understanding certain metrics, what people want to watch, all that kind of stuff. So study your niche really well, study everything really well, and I promise you, it'll pay off. As long as you're not paying anyone to do any of this process, do the video editing yourself, learn it, don't pay anyone anything. If you guys have to commentate, learn how to commentate. You don't know how to use your voice. I had a very, very disgusting voice. I know how to do it now. I know how to talk now, right? It takes time. It takes skill. YouTube is a skill. It's like a real job. Like you go to college for 4 years, you want to learn something, right? You get a degree that's going to potentially get you a job. Same with YouTube. You got to put in the time to really understand this. YouTube is not a get rich quick scheme like it used to be back in the day, like 10 years ago. It is very saturated to a sense where a lot of people are on it. So the only way you can really kill it is by educating yourself, certain trends, the way to make your videos correctly, and certain metrics to pay attention to. But at the end of the day, even if you guys, don't know what you're doing, as long as you guys are consistent, it'll happen. You guys will get famous. I guarantee you, at your 1000th video, something will click. So as long as you guys have that mindset, not now, not this year, maybe next year, it'll work. Just stick to it. That's the mindset I had, and I was freaking right as a 16, 17-year-old boy. And I'm 26 now, so. But anyways, I think I rambled on long enough. I know this advice was very shallow advice, but these are the things that a lot of you guys are failing at. Stop blaming the niches. Stop making random videos and random video titles, and stay consistent. Don't post 1 to 2, 3 videos a month. Post 3, 4, 5 videos a week. You'll see more results faster and you could test more. But I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want more content or niches like that, check the videos at the top screen. It does help my channel a lot as well. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.